Good morning, students. So in previous class I have discussed about the meaning of the quadratic equation, standard form of a quadratic equation, and also we have solved some questions how to convert in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now in this class we are going to discuss about solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Solution of a quadratic equation by, very important, factorization. So in previous classes I told you, so mainly there are three important methods to find the solution of a quadratic equation. So this is one of them. So remaining two we discuss later, but I will say making completing square, second one. So third one by using Sridhar's formula, that is very important. Then fourth one by using graph also you can find the solution of the quadratic equation. So in this class we are going to discuss about the first method, that is factorization. So directly I will start your exercise questions. Then after exercise questions I will give some homework questions. Okay, now please note down. First question, main question 1, some question. So x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So listen carefully. Before going to start solution, first you have to observe the given equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First you have to observe the given equation is in the form of, that is standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is very important. I told you, please don't forget this standard form. Yes, question number 1. X square minus 3x minus x is 10 is equal to. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can write in standard form x square plus of minus 3 into x plus of minus 10. So this is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus is equal to 0. So no need to write, just I show. Now factorization. So here variable is x, both in first and second degree, so it is quadratic equation. So what is the coefficient of x here? I told you many times, this is coefficient, this is degree 2, coefficient 1. Now you see the method. So you have studied already 9th standard, but I will repeat. So x square minus 3x plus 10. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value 1, b value minus 3, so c value minus 10. So factorization. So first you have to see c value. See here, you have to first c value you note down here, minus 10. What is the value of c? C means constant, that is minus 10. Now find the factors first. The method itself is called as factorization. Find the factors. So factors means, so product of two numbers, very important. Product of two numbers, compulsory 10. You think about sign later. Compulsory 10. Next, very important, their difference. Their difference is minus 3. That is very important. Their difference is minus 3. Yes. First you have to find the factors. This is difference. Difference means subtraction or addition, whatever it means. Difference means you have to subtract. So totally the simplification of the two numbers. Next, this is as product. As 10. In which table you will get 5? 10. So 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. Yes, very good. Right. 5 2s are 10. Next, very important thing. So this sign, you see the difference here. What is the sign here? Minus. So this sign compulsory you should give to greater number. That is very important. So this sign compulsory you should give to greater number. So what we need? Minus 3. If it is minus, we cannot get minus 3 because minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. So if it is opposite, I mean plus sign, next we will get this minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2. Let's find the difference. 5 minus 2, 3. So greater number minus. So difference minus 3. Now we find the product of these two. Minus into plus minus. 5 2 is 10. Yes. What are the factors are? Minus 5 and plus 2. Thus I will continue, which implies, so x square as it is, minus 3x. So minus 3x can be written as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 as it is. So is equal to 0. So minus 5x minus 2x minus 3x minus 5 into plus 2, that is minus 10. Now we make a group. So this implies, so x square and x. So here 1. So here a degree you see 1. So x is common here. So x square, after taking common factor, you have to divide complete term by common term. So x square by x. So what you will get? X. If any doubt means is here. X square means x multiplied 2 times divided by x. X gets cancelled. Remaining x here. Minus. So here plus is there. That is understood. What we need? Minus. So plus multiplied by minus, you will get minus. So 5x divided by common factor x gets cancelled. So 5. Next plus. So x term is not a common factor here. 2 and 10. 2 and 10. What is the common factor? Yes. 2 is the common factor. Yes, correct. 2 common factor. So 2x by common factor 2. 2 gets cancelled. X. So this minus divided by outside plus. So what will get? Minus by plus minus 10 divided by 2. What will get? 5. That's correct. Okay, na? Right. Next. Again. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is very important. So which implies, so x minus 5 is common. So remaining plus x or x, yes, plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, let's consider one by one. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 plus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. This is very important. And so another one. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. So this is another solution. I told you in previous classes, a quadratic equation has 2 roots. A quadratic equation has 2 roots. A linear equation has only 1 root. A quadratic equation has 2 roots. So these 2 are the answer. 1 plus 5. So another one is minus 2. So this is the procedure. Okay, na? Yes, any doubt regarding this? Find the factor and simplify. 2x square plus x minus 6. So earlier compared to previous question, the coefficient of x square is 1. Question number 1. Now question number 2, coefficient of x square is 2. So in this case, what you have to do, first to mark like this, and a and c. A and c. What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of c? Minus 6. I told you earlier, you have to convert the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is already there. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But coefficient of x square is 2. So what you have to do? Multiply these two. So 2 into minus 6. So that is equal to minus 12. Next, find the factors. Yes. Next, difference plus coefficient of x. So here 1. So plus 1 is the difference. Product is minus 12. So in which table you will get minus 12? I mean 12 and the difference 1. Find the factors. Yes, 2, 6. Yeah, suppose 2, 6. Yeah, suppose I am telling. So 2 into 6, 12. Okay, no problem. But what about difference? 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Okay, na? Or 6 minus 2, that is plus 4. So we cannot get plus 1. So this is wrong. Now coming to third table. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Yes, 4 minus 3, 1. Or 3 minus 4, minus 1. Okay, na? Right. What are the factors here? 4, 3. Yes, 4 into 3, 12. Difference plus 1. Now sign I told you. So this sign or this sign compulsory should give to greater number. That is plus. So we want 1. So how will get 1? If it is plus, plus 4, plus 3, plus 7. We cannot get plus 1. So what about this sign now? Minus. Now you see here, check once again. Plus 4 into minus 3, minus 12. Plus 4, minus 3, difference, plus 1. As factors are plus 4 and another factor, minus 3. Yes, which implies, so 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, implies take common 2 and 4, as 2 is common, x square and x, so x is common. I told you in previous question, 2x square divided by common factor, that is 2x, 2 gets cancels, one term gets cancels, remaining term only here x, so here plus, outside is also plus, plus by plus, that is plus 4x divided by 2x gets cancels, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so x plus 2. Next, similarly here, minus you take out, minus 3 is 6, so 3 is common, variable is not common factor here, into yes, minus 3x or 3x by 3, so 3 gets cancels, yes, so minus by minus, that is plus, 6 by 3, that is 2, is equal to 0. Yes, next, x plus 2 is common, correct? So which implies, so x plus 2 is common, remaining 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies, consider 1 by 1, so x plus 2 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 0 minus 2, therefore x is equal to minus 2, and another one, so 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to 0 plus 3, that is 3, therefore x is equal to 3 by 2. So don't forget, quadratic equation has two roots, very important. A quadratic equation has two roots, linear equation has one root, so these two are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, now next, third question. So root 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So again I told you, first you have to check whether the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or not. So this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, s is already there, so no need to make any simplification or correction. Plus a value root 2, I mean coefficient of x square, so c value 5 root 2, multiply these two, root 2 into 5 into root 2, as coefficient here 1 into 5 5, root 2 into root 2, that is only 2, you have studied already last year, so 5 2 ja 10, as product 10, very important. So product 10 and simplification 7. Simplification means, so sometimes we make a difference or sometimes we make addition. Yes, now that's very simple. This is product 10, product, so this is product. Yes, this is a difference or addition, whatever it will be. That's 10. 2 5 is 10 or 5 2 is 10, that's correct. 5 2, correct? So this sign I told you here plus 7 we need, 7, don't give minus here, plus 5 minus 2, that is plus 3, what we need, plus 7, so therefore this is also plus 5 plus 2 plus 7, plus into plus 5 2 is 10, okay na? So this is equal to root 2 x square, better we write first one, this term 2x, no changes, plus, okay na? Next 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, thus which implies root 2 and 2, root 2 and 2, just you see here, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, so therefore, so root 2 is common here. Next, x square x, so x is common, so root 2 gets cancels, x square by x gets cancels, remaining x plus, So this 2, I mean 2x, correct? So 2x divided by root 2x. So what will get? X gets cancels. So here is there 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 times. So divided by root 2, root 2 gets cancels. Remaining here only root 2. Yes, correct. Plus 5 common. So remaining very simple. Nothing to worry. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. And one more thing very important. So what we will get here, same term also we get here. That is very important. If it is wrong, so this is wrong. So just to think. So here x plus 2, compulsory next group also will get x plus root 2. That is very important. You are observe here x plus 2, x plus 2. Next, x plus root 2 is common. Then finally root 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Next consider one by one. So x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to minus root 2. This is one solution. So another solution, root 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore root 2 into x is equal to minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. So this is very important and the quadratic equation has two roots. So these two are the roots of the quadratic equation. Question number 2. Fourth one. So 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Yes. So this is already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. No problem. But the c value in terms of fraction. Maybe you'll get some confusion here. So what you have to do? What is the denominator here? 8. Only c term, c value containing in terms of fraction. So what is the denominator? 8 is the denominator. So totally what you have to do? All the terms you should multiply denominator. So multiply by 8 on both sides. On both sides. So no changes in the value. Nothing to worry. There is no changes in the given question on both sides. Yes. 2x square into 2x square multiply by 8 minus x into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 0 into 8. 0. So which implies 2x square into 8, that is 16x square minus, correct? X into 8, 8x plus 8 gets cancels. 1 is equal to 0. That's now you see here. We got very simple equation. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is now already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I told you, as coefficient of x square is other than 1, what you have to do? Multiply a and c values with the sign. What is the sign here? Plus. What is the sign here? Plus. So 16 into 1, 16. Yes, product 16. Addition or subtraction. Totally simplification is minus 8. So how will you get? Minus 8. Very simple. 4 4 is 16. 4 and 4 8. But the sign minus is here. I told you. So this one you should give to greater number. Here both are same. So minus. If it is plus, what will get? 0. If it is plus, what will get? 0. Because minus 4 plus 4 0. So this is also minus. Then it is correct. So minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. Minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16. Okay, na? Right. Which implies 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Make a group. So which implies 16 and 4, 4 common, x square and x common. So 16 by 4, 4, x square by x minus 4x by 4x, it will get 1. So here plus is there, minus by plus, minus 4 and 1, 4 and 1, so 1. So 1 is common. If it is 1 is common, it's compulsory right. Next, 4x by 1, 4x, plus by minus, minus 1 by 1 is equal to 0. I told you in previous class. Same terms we get here after taking common factor. So which implies, so 4x minus 1 is common. Okay, na? Remaining again 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which implies 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4. Next another answer, again same. Another one, and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to, again same value, that is 1 by 4. One more method is there, but no need. Now we will first learn this method. For the time of revision, then I will say other methods. Okay na? So this is question number 4. Now last question in this exercise, question number 5 now. So 100x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, not 2x, 20x. Yes, again this is already in the form of ax square plus bx plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient a is more than 1. So what you have to do? To see the mark, better you make a mark. Plus 100 into plus 1, that is product of these two, plus 100. Find out first factors. Product plus 100. Difference minus 20. So 10 into 10. So 10 10 ja 100. So this is minus 20 here. So minus. If it is plus, what will get? 0. If it is minus, then we will get minus 20. So minus into minus plus. 10 into 10, 100. Minus 10, minus 10. So minus 20. Now, so 100x square. Minus 20x can be written as minus 10x. Minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Make a group here. So 100 and 10. So 10 is common. X square and x. X is common. 100 by x, 100 by 10, that is 10. X square by x, that is x. Minus 10x by 10x, 1. Next, minus 1 is common here again. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which implies, so 10x minus 1 is common in both group. What will get? Again 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which implies 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 10x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 10. And another answer, 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 10x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 10. So both answers are same. We have another method to discuss later. Now I will give 3 or 4 questions as a homework. Please note down questions one by one. So write in a notebook only, no problem. So if possible, please send me answers to my personal number. Please don't send by group. Okay na? Just note down homework questions. I will give 5 questions. First one. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Second one. X square minus 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. Third question. X square plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Fourth question. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Question number 5. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here are there some questions. It's not compulsory, at least per day 3 to 4 questions to find the solutions. Please note down questions. 6x square plus 13x minus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 7. 2y square plus y minus 45 is equal to 0. Question number 8. 6x square plus 11x minus 10 is equal to 0. Question number 9. Y square plus 7y minus 18 is equal to 0. Question number 10, last one. 6x square minus, sorry, this is already here, a square minus 3a minus 54 is equal to 0. So these are all homework questions. Totally 10 questions are there. At least per day, try to find at least 2 to 3 questions per day. Okay, na? Please don't neglect all this. So you will get some practice. Please don't neglect. Okay, thank you.